So come over here. Michael, draw the band. Reflection, come up. Just one last song. Michael, draw, let's go. And reflection, reflection, reflection. Good demon. Reflection, reflection, reflection. All right, this song is for all of the Reflection fans. You guys are great. Give me a hand. Oh yeah. All right. They want you, Romeo and Juliet. After Reflection, you better do Romeo and Juliet, or they're not gonna let you leave. After my long jaw, lights out. It's over. Because I need a taste of my long jaw before I sleep too. It's my call. The show is mine. It's my call. Hakuna Matata, there ain't no worry for the rest of our days. Alright, they said they're gonna do and Romeo and Juliet!
Okay, we'll do Romeo and Juliet for you guys.
On Manager Reflections, we have a huge problem. My drummer already gave his drumsticks away. So he has no more drumsticks.
Sorry.
It's a problem. Can we have our drumsticks back so we can play one more song?
Okay, Romeo and Juliet, okay? I'll sing for you guys. Because I give my drumstick away already.
Reflection! 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 Reflection!
Okay.
Alright guys, you better do it! Michael Chua and Romeo and Juliet, yeah!
Okay, come on, long him know.
And if you don't have the drumstick, use your finger, dude!
Okay, let's go. 일로 가수로나
chỉ bảo hai tiếng không chỉ hai buổi lo từ